What's going on, everyone? My name is Matthew Armstrong and I am here with Check Lawn Care Management app. I'm really excited to talk with y'all today because we have another big product update. Let's jump in and take a look now. Open up your Check app and we are going to be able to now add multiple properties to a client. So this is helpful if you have someone who has a rent house. Let's tap into Jim's account right now and we're going to add a property for him. Tap Add New. And then we're going to give this one a name. Let's say Jim's rental property. And then let's give it an address. This is going to make sure that it shows up whenever you generate a route later. Baton Rouge. Done. Save. Now, we're going to tap Create Property, and you see that Jim's rental property was just added. It's right there, and you can now set up a recurring job for it. Let's go ahead and do that. So tap Add New Recurring Job. We're going to choose the property. You could choose Jim's home or rental property. Confirm, and then yes, we want it to cut once a week on Thursdays. We're going to start it today, and then let's set the price. What should we charge him? $90. All right, and then no special notes. Let's do just lawn care and then create recurring job. That is going to now create a recurring job for Jim's rental property starting today. If you back out and tap into your jobs tab, it's then going to show up on your jobs queue, and you can see that those are two different addresses right there. And then you can tap See Route, and it is going to show you the fastest route to get that done. Boom. All right, now let's also talk about adding multiple recurring jobs to a single client's property. Go back into your clients and let's add something for Pam Beasley. All right, we're going to tap into her property and you can tap Add New next to recurring job. Let's say we want this to happen once a month and we want it to start next week on Monday. Confirm. This is going to be a $30 job and we are just going to be doing some very, that's notes. We're going to be doing some very simple flower bed maintenance. It's a small flower bed. Tap Create Recurring Job. And now you can see that you can add, you have two different types of jobs for Pam. One is lawn care, one is flower bed maintenance. You can adjust those to be on the same day, or you can spread them out. I don't know why you'd want to do that, because that would hit your, that would mess up your efficiency, but you can do it. But those are the two big updates: multiple properties for one client and multiple recurring jobs for each property. Thank y'all so much. Let us know what you want us to build next. Again, if you are someone in the truck by yourself, and we are here to champion you. So you let us know what we need to build. Y'all take care. Bye.